Alright, what's going on, and welcome to another video. First off, before we start the video about the LEDs I'm about to install, these shirts are in my Teespring account, which is linked in the description box below, as well as it should show up under every single video. So if you guys are interested in the 3-petal shirt, as well as a little logo back there, very nice. I really like them, they're really good. And I just love this design. I've been wanting to do this. Special thanks to Justin Weiss, my good buddy from YouTube. He actually helps. He did a lot of the design, if not almost all of it. I just kind of had the vision. So anyways, thank you again, Justin, for helping me make this happen. And go check out a shirt. Grab one if you really like it. It supports the channel. I appreciate it. All right, so without further ado, we are going to jump into installing some LED halos for my M5. I do have the stock bulbs on, which is hard to see just because there's a lot of light being shown at the car, but I will insert other clips. What happened is I installed some LED fog lights, which are very white. They're about 6500K in color. And of course the headlights are the xenon headlights, but then these are the only yellow part on the front of the car. And originally I didn't have an issue with that, but with the fog lights changed and the headlights are, you know, the whitish bluish, and the projector bulbs, these look a little bit out of place in my opinion. So I literally just grabbed, you know, one of the top products from Amazon. This is called the Vanjing. The company is Vanjing, V-A-N-J-I-N-G. Obviously it's Chinese made and I'm not exactly sure how well it's going to last, but it's a good package and they seem pretty good quality. And it got good reviews on Amazon, so that definitely says something. This is not as high grade as normally I'd like to, but I literally I couldn't stand it, and I usually like to run the halos with the fog. So let's get these things in. It's super easy. I'm gonna show you right now. Very easy, guys. All you have to do is grab this top one right here and turn it counterclockwise. Of course it's warm because I had it on, so I'd recommend not having it on. So there's the halogen bulb, and we will unplug it. And I'm going to, of course, these are a little bit longer. It doesn't plug directly in. There's a little extra cable here, but that's okay. Should be. There we go. Fits right in there. And then reinstallation is identically the same. There we go. And that's it. So we're gonna put the camera directly in the middle of the car. The halos are not on, but I'm about to turn them on right now. Oh wow. Yeah, so you actually, I can see in the camera that this one definitely is on. This one is definitely much whiter. Let's get a quick close-up. Looks really good. It almost looks too bright on camera, but in person, just looking at it, it looks completely normal. Kind of going up and down and side to side. Light is perfectly distributed. It actually looks proper, just like it would come from BMW. And then this is actually one that is not quite as evenly distributed. You know, there's a few little areas where it's a little, you know, not as bright as other areas, where this one is a brighter bulb. So of course, it's going to emit a lot more light. Really like it so far. It's definitely a nice white color. So let's get the other one in real quick. All right, guys, so this is exactly what I was talking about, is the fog lights are very white now because I put LEDs in. Check that video out if you're interested in. Very, very easy, almost as easy as this. This is literally just plug and play and open the hood. So very, very nice looking. They look proper, they look even. That's really it, guys. I mean, this is a nice revised front end for the E39. I mean, this car's 15 years old. I mean, they started making them in the late 90s, like 97 or 98, I think. So, I mean, there's potential for, you know, one of these cars to be, you know, 20 years old and you know, looking just so nice. I did do the F10 M5 gloss black style grills, and I know that some of the E39 guys hate me for that, but I don't really care. I think it looks good on the carbon black, and I think the white halos give it a nice refreshed look, and I think the fog lights are pretty cool too. Like I mentioned, this kind of wasn't really the plan, but that's just how things happen. So I'm really happy with the way the front end's looking. You know, the license plate's gone. I just did some spark plugs and a bunch of other things on the M5 recently. So go check those videos out if you are interested in maintenance and upkeep and all the other fun stuff for this car. Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it. I don't really have anything else to say about these LEDs other than they worked fine. I will put a link in the description. I don't think they're very expensive, so I'll definitely provide updates. Normally I'd want some very, very high quality product, but these are kind of like, you know, reusable or disposable. I'm not too worried about it. My biggest concern was getting the yellow out of the front end of this car, and I think it's looking pretty good. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time.